Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eman. I am so pumped for today's video because I love these type of videos that come at the end of the year because they are just like a big shopping list. So if you're watching this, get out a piece of paper and pen and write all this stuff down because today I am sharing the best drugstore products of 2019, you guys. These are my picks for the best products. So I did not include anything on this list that wasn't like amazing. And not only are they amazing, they're drugstores, so they are super affordable. So you can basically make this list of all of these products and go into the drugstore and get all of them, and it's not like a huge splurge. That is what my favorite thing about this video is going to be, is that you guys can literally get all of these and not spend a lot of money. I want this video to flow super quickly because I don't want to ramble a lot, because I don't want it to get boring. So I'm going to try to go through these products as fast as I can. Grab some coffee, grab a drink, grab a piece of paper and pen, and let's get to my picks for the best drugstore products of 2019. A lot of these products, you guys, are kind of used looking. They're not in the best shape, but that's because I truly use these products every day, all the time. I'm starting with one of the most important. It is my pick for the best drugstore foundations of 2019, and I have two that are completely different. The first one is the Maybelline 24 Hours Superstay Full Coverage Concealer. The second one is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup. These two foundations, you guys, are complete opposites, but that's kind of why I love both. So the Maybelline is a full coverage longwear foundation. If you want to get that look of absolutely flawless, zero imperfections, like you are just an airbrushed queen, this is the foundation to use. It's literally gonna cover up everything, but it also has this really beautiful matte, natural look to it. That's why I love it so much. It's super long wear, so it lasts for a long time. If you're going out all night or all day, this is gonna last. Now, the second one is Neutrogena, which is the complete opposite. This is a very light, dewy, glowy foundation. So this is not gonna cover up everything. Instead, this is just gonna give you a really beautiful, natural glow to your skin. It has a very dewy finish to it. It's very lightweight, but still buildable. It has SPF, and Neutrogena, the healthy skin line, all of their products, they have like all of these skincare benefits to them. So it's like they're actually good for your skin. So you wear them and they feel like they are working for your skin. One of my favorite things to do, you guys, is to mix these two foundations together, and you get like the most beautiful texture because you're getting the full coverage and a little bit of the dew. It's so pretty. So sometimes I do that. A lot of times I wear each on their own. If you want like a very natural everyday look, this is amazing. If you want more coverage, long wear, this is amazing. So both options, but both of these are two of my absolute favorites. Next up is my pick for best drugstore powder of 2019, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This powder is so good, you guys. It literally will make your skin look airbrushed. I love that it's a pressed compact, so it just makes it so easy to use. You can throw this in your purse, you can use it to touch up. It literally will make your skin look poreless. So it's just completely airbrushes, smooths out your skin. It's great for controlling shine, and it just makes you matte in all the right places. One of my all-time favorite powders to use. Speaking of powders, my next pick is the best drugstore bronzer, and I have three different bronzers, you guys, but they're all from the same brand, Physicians Formula. Physicians Formula just knows how to make bronzers. They just make the best ones. All their bronzers are so pretty. So they have the healthy powder, which has SPF in it. This is a great color as a bronzer, and I love it for contour. They have their butter bronzer, which I don't know if you guys have ever smelled this stuff, but it literally smells like cocoa butter. It's amazing, and it looks so pretty on the skin and has a little bit of shimmer to it. And then the bronze booster, basically Any bronzer from Physicians Formula is so good. So if you're looking for a great drugstore bronzer, I would choose Physicians Formula. Next up is my pick for best drugstore primers, and that is Catrice. I've literally been using these primers in so many videos, you guys. I use them all the time. They're so good under your foundation. So I have two, both of these are my favorites. I usually wear both and I'll layer them on top of each other. The first one that I love is the Catrice Prime and Fine Beautifying Primer. This primer is just like such a good holding primer. It holds your makeup. It has this tacky feel to it. So when you wear it first and then apply your makeup on top of it, it really just holds your makeup so it sticks onto your face better. That's why I love wearing this. And then the Goodbye Pores, I love wearing this for just the inner part of my cheek, chin, and on my forehead. This really helps control shine, but especially in my cheek area, it totally smooths out that area and makes my pores disappear. And then when I apply foundation on top of it, it just looks so smooth. So these two primers are amazing. Love them both. Next up is my pick for best drugstore blushes, and that goes to L'Oreal. I love these blushes, you guys. The Paradise Enchanted blushes, they are some of my favorite blushes to wear because the shades are so pretty. They have such a good shade range. Plus, it's the texture of the blush that makes it so special. So sometimes blushes are hard to blend and all that. This is such a beautiful texture. It just blends beautifully. It's really soft on the skin. It has like this sheen to it. I don't want to say it's shimmery because it's obviously not shimmery, but it has this kind of silky sheen to it that just looks so pretty on. So the combination of the shades, the texture, and just how easy it is to blend make these blushes some of the best blushes, and they happen to be drugstore. Next up are two of my all-time favorite products. If there's one product that I really recommend that you guys definitely go grab, is both of these. They are my pick for the best drugstore highlighters of 2019. I have two. The first one is from Wet n Wild. This is the MEGAGLO highlighting powder, and the second one is the Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm gonna start with the Maybelline because not only is this one of my favorite drugstore highlighters, this is one of my all-time favorite highlighters ever, as you guys can tell, because look at the wear and tear on this. I literally have like 10 of these. I love this highlighter. I'm so scared that it's gonna be discontinued for some reason because it's literally the best highlighter. I will pick this over any expensive luxury highlighter any day. So if you're gonna pick up a product, go pick this one up. It comes in a bunch of different shades, so you can find the shade that matches your skin tone. It is just the perfect texture, the perfect amount of glow, and it looks so smooth. I used it today. It looks so smooth on the skin. It doesn't make your skin look bumpy like some highlighters do. It blends beautifully. It is perfection, and it's just like the right amount of highlight. The second one is from Wet n Wild. I have to shout this one out because I love it so much as well. They come in so many different shades. The highlight is so pretty on, and the price of this highlighter is ridiculous. It's so affordable, you guys. You cannot not get it. You just have to, and you probably are gonna grab 2 or 3 because it's such a good price, and there's so many different colors. So both of these are major winners. All right, guys, we are whipping through these. Next up is my pick for the best drugstore liquid eyeliner. This is a very important one, you guys, because you know I love me a good cat eye, and this is my favorite eyeliner to use. It is the L'Oreal Infallible, the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good because the tip is pretty much perfect. It's nice and long, so you can basically just lay it flat on your eye. It drags so smoothly. It's super black. You can do the most perfect cat eye wing with this tip. You can create the perfect cat eye every single time because the shape of this pen is so easy to work with. It sets, but you have enough time to kind of play, so it doesn't set right away, but it also doesn't smudge, it stays put. You guys know that I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. Other than that one, this is the one I use all the time. I have it in my makeup kit. I have it in my travel kit. It's such a good liquid liner. Next up, I have my pick for the best drugstore brow pencil, and it goes to Maybelline, the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencils. These are amazing. They are literally as good as the Anastasia Brow Wiz. All of those like more expensive brow products, these are just as good, if not better, you guys, and way more affordable. This pencil in particular, the colors are amazing. I love using the taupe. It's like the perfect shade. I have it on today. It looks super natural. It has a spoolie on the end, so you can use it to brush up your brows, which is super convenient. Plus, it has the perfect texture. It's kind of waxy, so it sticks into the hairs, but it also looks natural enough, so you kind of make it look like you're just flicking hair, what am I trying to say here? It's like, okay, let's try this again. The texture looks so natural, it just looks like you're flicking hair strokes. That's what I meant to say. So it just looks like hair strokes. I love it. It sticks, it doesn't budge. It's just a really, 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 really good brow pencil. Speaking of brows, so I discovered a must-have, fell in love with, holy grail product recently, very recently. I haven't even used it in a video yet, but I used it when I was doing my makeup one day and I fell in love instantly. It is the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This stuff is amazing, you guys. I've literally been looking for a new brow gel all year. I've tested so many out. So I've never used the lash side of the double-ended brow and lash from e.l.f., but I've used the brow side, and this is the most perfect brow gel. There's something about this wand, you guys. It just gives the most feathery look to your brows. So many brow gels do not do that. The texture of the gel itself is so good, and it holds the hairs in place, but it doesn't get hard, because a lot of times brow gels get like hard and flaky. This does not do that. It just holds the hairs in place. The gel texture is great. The actual brush is like the most perfect shape and size to give you the most beautiful, natural, feathery brows. So this stuff is a must try. I have 2 products left for you guys. Next up is my pick for the best drugstore mascara 2019, and it is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Plumping Mascara. This might not be what you guys expected because there are so many great drugstore mascaras out there. I actually always prefer drugstore mascaras over the luxury ones. There's just something about them. They do mascaras really well. But this one from Neutrogena is the one that I've been using and loving all year. I have it on right now. There's just something about the shape of the brush. Do you see how it's like fat on the bottom and then gets thinner? So you can really get in there. You can get the corners. It makes your lashes super black. It doesn't make them clumpy. You can get at the base and just really work it, so it makes your lashes look super full. The texture is great and it's not clumpy, so you could use it for your bottom lashes. Plus, the waterproof formula is my favorite because it does not streak. It does not leave any residue. You don't have to worry about smudging, and it's still really easy to take off when you take off your makeup. Okay, we've come to the very end, and I have my picks for the best drugstore lip glosses of 2019, and they also happen to be from Neutrogena. They are the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. These glosses are so good, you guys. I think I love them the most because they have some of the most amazing nude shades. When you layer these glosses on top of a nude lipstick, it looks so, so, so good. Let me just show you. And literally, I've been doing this all year, and I love the effect that it gives. They come in so many different shades. Their nude shades are amazing, but they also have a bunch of brights and berries, but there's just something about the nude ones that I'm obsessed with. They're great to wear on their own or layering on top of something else. That is one of my favorite oops, oh my God. So this is one of my favorite shades, number 20. Another favorite is number 10, and I love taking number 10 on top of number 20, like right in the center, to give it just even a little bit. Do you guys see that? That just a little bit of like highlight in the center of your lip, but it looks so natural. I love it. Oh my god, so pretty. So all of these glosses are my favorite. They're part of the Hydra Boost collection, so they're really comfortable to wear on your lips, and they're great on their own or for layering. That is it, guys. Those are my picks for the best drugstore products of 2019. I love watching these videos. I love watching other people's videos like this because I get to go and see what everybody else is loving, what everybody else is using, and if it's something I've never tried before, then it's like, oh my god, I have to try that. And it's drugstore, so I can just go grab it and don't break the bank. But these are my picks, you guys. I'm sure everyone's gonna have different picks. I hope you found this fun and interesting, and I hope you guys are all having an amazing holidays. And if you end up trying any of these products, leave it for me in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have fun shopping.